under this vector calculus, three important terms you might have heard about it. What are these? Gradient, divergence, and curl. And these 3 points. Do you know anything about these 3? Do you have any basic idea about vector calculus?
No, sir.
Do you know at least dot product, cross product?
Yeah, what?
Dot product and cross product. I think in
No, sir.
I think in inter 11th, 12th, you might have studied in mathematics subject. What is that? Vectors, basic vectors. Its extended version is this one. Using vectors concept, we can learn these 3. Gradient, divergence, and curl. Have you ever heard about cross product and dot product?
Cross product?
Dot product and cross product.
No, sir.
No, I don't know.
Sorry. Don't know, sir.
Okay. No problem. Okay. Let me explain about dot product first. Later on, we can discuss about cross product. After completion of these 2, then I will move on to these 3. Okay.
Okay.
Gradient, divergence, and curl.
Okay.
First one, what is the meaning of dot product? First one is what?
Okay.
Dot product.
What meaning of dot product?
What are the different steps we need to follow to solve the problems that comes under using dot product, something like that. Find the dot product. Find the dot product of given 2 vectors. Let me consider one like 2 different vectors, vector A or B will be given. You need to find vector A dot vector B. Okay. To find this, these 2 values must be given. No? Okay, vector A 2x I cap plus y 1. Y plus 3j minus k, something like that.
Okay.
Plus 4j plus 2k. Okay. These 2 vectors are given. Okay.
Okay.
In these 2 vectors, I think what I mean to say is we need to find the dot product between these 2 vectors. Okay. Dot product is corresponding. Here 2i is there. Here 3i is there. Okay. You just multiply 2 into 3 between these 2 dot. Okay. Can I write like this? I dot I. Here 1 I is there.
Okay.
Here 1 more I is there. Yes or no?
Okay. Yes.
Okay. Similarly, plus second one 3 dot here 4, no?
4. Yes.
Next j dot j. Okay. Next here minus is there. Okay. Here plus is there. Okay. Let me consider anyone. If you want to consider minus, what is the coefficient of k? Then 1, no?
1.
Dot. What is the coefficient of k here?
2.
Here k dot k. Any confusion in this step? Hope you understood.
No.
Understood, no?
Yeah, understood.
Dot product means what? I coefficient you need to multiply with I coefficient. J coefficient with J coefficient.
Yes.
Okay, similarly, K coefficient with K coefficient.
Okay.
Using in vectors, there are some important notations. Okay. Dot product of 2 similar vectors is 1. What I said? Dot product of 2 similar vector. 2 similar vector is 1. What I said? Dot 2 similar vector is 1.
1.
It means I dot I, j dot j, k dot k. That means 1.
1.
What is it? I dot I, j dot j, k dot k is equals to 1. Cleared? Wherever you see dot product between two similar vector, both are same vectors.
Okay.
I dot I,
Yes, yes.
K dot j, k dot k. Then you
Yes,
just
yes.
consider the result of
1.
two similar vectors. Dot product of two similar vector is 1. Okay. What about dot product of two dissimilar vectors? I dot j, j dot k, k dot I, something. Dot product of two dissimilar vector is equals to 0. Cleared?
Yes, yes, yes. Sir.
Any confusion in these two?
No, no. Sir.
No. Here dot product of two similar vector is 1. Dot
1.
product of two different vector is 0. These 2
0.
points. Okay.
Yes, yes. I got it.
Let me remove this. Now we will apply these notations here. See, these two dot product of two similar vector is 1. 2 into
1.
3 is 2 into
6.
2 into how much?
6.
6. Okay. Plus 3 into 4.
12.
J dot j 1 minus 1 into 2. K dot k 1. Any confusion up to here?
No, no.
6 into 1 6. 12 into 1 12 minus k as it is 2 into 1 2. 6 plus 12 18. 18 minus 2 16 is the dot product result of given vector A and B. Hope it is cleared.
Yes, it is clear, sir.
This is how to find the dot product between two similar vectors.
Similar vectors.
Next, what I'm going to discuss is cross product of two vectors. To find the cross product of two vectors, again, two more notations I'm going to discuss. Before this, what I said, dot product of two similar vector is always 1.
1.
Product of two different vectors is equals to 0.
0.
Okay? Now I'm talking about cross product. Cross product of two similar vector I cross I, j cross j, k cross k is equals to 0. Don't get confused.
Okay, okay.
What I said previously, if I am applying dot
It
product
is 1.
similar vector, then its value is 1. Dot
1.
product of two similar vector is 1, but cross product of two similar vector is 0. Before this, one more point we discussed, that is second set of notation. What is that? Dot product of two different vectors is 0.
0.
But here, any guess? Cross
It is
product of
1. Right?
two different vector is
1.
a small change here. See, total how many are there? You just identify. I is there, J is there, and K is there.
Yes,
Yeah.
3.
I, J, K. Here, first one, what is absent here? I, J, K is the answer. What is absent here? I is absent.
I.
What is absent here? J.
J.
Cross product of two different vector is remaining one. I cross J, K. J cross K, I. K cross I, J.
J.
Hope you understood all these four set of notations. These four notations are very, very important, which are comes under vectors.
Vectors.
If you know all these basics, then only we can move for remaining.
Remaining, okay.
Maybe gradient, divergence, curl.
Okay.
Now, let us discuss how to find the cross product of two vectors. Let me consider same vectors. Whatever the two different vectors we considered here. Okay, same vectors. Let me consider same vector. What is the first vector? 2i plus 3j minus k.
2i, 3.
2i, 3j minus k. Vector A is equals to 2i, 3j
plus 3j minus k.
Second vector is what? What is second vector? 3i
3j plus 4j plus 2k.
Okay. For this, to find the cross product of these two vectors, what I am writing? Cross product. To find the cross product of these two vectors, you have to use the determinant method. Under this determinant, first row elements will be I, J, K by default. Okay. Next,
Okay.
second row elements are coming from coefficients of these two given vectors. What is the coefficient of I here? 2. Coefficient of
2.
J, 3. Coefficient of K,
1
or minus 1?
Minus 1.
Here, coefficient of I, 3. J,
3.
4.
4.
K,
2.
Done. You know how to find the determinant. I think determinant, you can find, no? Determinant.
Yes.
I, J, K, plus, minus, plus. Okay. Expand this determinant. Take I outside. To take I outside, where is this I? Corresponding column and row. Leave it.
Yes.
Leave this corresponding row
3
and
into
column.
2 plus
Yes, correct.
4
3
into minus 1.
What you have to do? 3 into 2 is 6. Write
6
minus 1.
minus.
Okay. Then you do this one. 4 into minus 1 is minus 4. Minus into this minus plus 4. Clear?
Yes, clear.
Minus J. If I take J outside, corresponding row and column, leave it. 2 into 2, 4, minus 3 into minus 1, minus 3 into minus
Plus 3.
Yeah. Next to plus K, you take outside, its corresponding row and column, leave it. 4 into 2, 8, minus
8.
into 3, 9.
9.
6 plus 4 is 10 I,
10 I.
minus 7 J,
G.
plus or minus 8 minus 9 is 1.
1 K.
Minus 1. 8 minus 9 is minus 1.
K.
Minus into minus. Minus 1 times K. That is minus K. This is the result of cross product of two given vectors. Hope it is clear. Any confusion? These two are the basic concepts. These two are the very, very important and basic concepts to learn gradient, divergence, and curve. Okay. Can I continue now?
Okay. Yes, we can continue.
Okay, fine. Next. First one. What I said? Gradient. First one is what? Gradient. Gradient is represented by this symbol. What is this? Del. What do you call this?
What is it?
Del.
Delta. Del.
This is delta, no? This is reverse.
Oh, okay.
Del.
Yes.
Just call this as del. Del operator. Okay. Del means gradient. Gradient means del.
Del.
Clear what I'm saying?
Yes, it is clear.
If I write like this, del F, how do you read this? You can read it in two
gradient
ways.
F.
You can call it as a del F, or you can call it as a gradient F.
Yes.
Del means gradient, no?
Gradient. Yes.
Instead of calling this as a del, I can call it as a gradient F.
Gradient F. Yes.
Now you can say del F. You should know what exactly del means what. Gradient. That's it.
Yes.
Any confusion?
No confusion.
Second, divergence. Second one is what? Divergence. Divergence is represented by del dot. What I said? Del dot. Del dot means divergence. Del means gradient. Any confusion?
No.
Okay. If I write like this, del dot F, how do you read this? Divergence F.
Divergence.
Yes, divergence of F. F is a given vector. Okay. Given vector. Okay. One vector will be given. For that given vector, we can able to find these three. gradient, divergence, and curl.
And curve.
Third one is what? What is third one? Curl.
Curl.
C-U-R-L. Curl.
Curl.
Okay. Third one is what? Curl.
Curl.
Is represented by del cross. What I said?
Del cross.
If I write like this, del cross F, how do you read? You can read it as
Curl.
del cross F, or you can read it as a curl F.
Curl.
Correct? No.
Yes,
Why?
yes.
Del cross means curl. Del dot
Curl.
means
Yes.
del means gradient. These 3
Great.
points cleared. Del means what? Gradient. Del dot
Gradient.
means what? Divergence. Del cross means
Divergence.
what? Curl.
Curl.
Any confusion?
No confusion.
Okay, fine. First one. What is first one? First one is what?
Gradient. Gradient.
Gradient. Let me write the expression. You should remember this expression to find the gradient for the given vector. One function will be given something like this. 5. Okay, you just say 5. Instead of
5.
f, 5 is there. Okay, 5 is 2x square y I cap plus 3 yz square minus 4 x. Okay, I cap,
Okay.
here j cap, here k cap. This is the small.
Equal.
Okay.
Okay.
What is the expression for gradient? Expression for gradient is, okay, del
Del.
is
Del
equal
5.
to dou phi by dou x plus dou phi by dou y plus dou phi by dou z.
Dose it.
I cap, j cap, k cap. Any confusion?
No confusion.
Expression to find the gradient. Gradient expression is what? Dou phi by dou x, dou phi by dou y, dou phi by dou z.
Dose it.
Coefficients are ijk, unit vector ijk. Okay. Very simple. Okay. Otherwise, you just remember dou by dou x plus dou by dou y plus dou by dou z. Just remember these 3. Okay. If phi is given, everywhere you write phi.
Okay.
If f is given, everywhere you have to
Yes.
substitute f. Okay. But this is mandatory.
Yes.
I
Position.
cap,
I cap. J cap.
cap. These are the unit vectors. This is the mandatory.
Okay.
Okay. Next, this is the expression. Correct? No, this is the expression.
Expression.
Let me remove this. You have to remember this formula. Which formula?
Okay.
This formula.
Expression.
This is the expression to find the gradient.
Gradient.
Okay.
Yes.
What we need to find? This one I have to find. This one I have to find. This one I need to find. After finding these 3, we can substitute here, here, here. Correct? No.
Yes. 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 Yes.
Very simple. Now,
Yes. It
next
is.
one is what? Dou phi by dou
No
x.
5.
It means what? What is the meaning of dou phi by dou x? differentiation of given phi 2x square y I cap plus 3yz square j cap minus 4x z cube k cap. Correct? I just
Yes.
substituted. What I did, I just substituted this phi.
Phi. Okay.
Given phi value substituted here. What is the meaning of this? I have to differentiate this expression with respect to x.
X.
This is the first step. Second step is what? Differentiate the given entire expression with respect to y. Third step is what?
Yes.
Differentiate the given entire expression with respect to z.
Z.
Yes or no?
Yes. Yes.
Do you know the basic formulas? Basic formulas
Basic
for
formula.
differentiation. Differentiation.
D by dx.
Formulas. Basic formula. First term is what? 2x square y, no?
X. 2x square y.
Can I differentiate x square? X square differentiation is 2x. Yes or no?
4x. Yes. Yes.
2 into 2, 4.
4.
Okay, what I have to do is see, 2 keep as it is. X square I can differentiate 2x. Y
X.
I cannot.
By.
All these are in multiplication form. Keep remaining
Yes.
as it is. Yes or no?
Phi cap. Yes. Yes.
Plus 3yz square. 3yz square.
X square.
With respect to x, is it possible?
Yes.
Is there x term here?
No. No.
No. Then it will be assumed as a constant. What is the differentiation of constant?
0.
Done. Next minus is there, right? Here minus is there.
Yes. Minus.
Right, minus. Next.
Minus.
Can I differentiate this with respect to x? Yes, I can differentiate.
Yes.
Why? Because x term is there. Remaining you keep as it is. X differentiation with respect to x is what? 1.
1.
Remaining z cube as it is. K cap.
Yes.
What is the final answer? 2 into 2. 4x y I cap minus this one is 0. Leave it. Minus 4
0.
into 1. 4 z cube k cap. This is what? Dou phi by dou x.
Yeah.
Clear?
Yes. Yes.
Can I do directly here in each term?
Which is
In this expression, for this, I got the result. I got the result for this.
okay.
Okay, only for
Yes.
this. Except I.
Yes. Yes. I.
What I said? This one.
I.
Only this one I got the result.
Result. Yes. Yes.
Correct. Here I can directly substitute this one. First term.
Yes.
Second term is what? Same expression. The same expression.
Mm.
Same expression. With respect to what?
Y.
Y. If you perform with respect to y, what will happen? Can I differentiate this term? First term? Yes. Y term is
Yes.
there.
Yes.
Y with respect to y, it is 1.
It is
Then
y. 1.
2x square. Remaining
2x square.
into I cap. Okay.
I cap.
Yes. With respect to y, is it possible? Yes, possible.
Yes. 3z square.
Is 1. 3 into
3 into 1 into z square.
j cap minus. Is it possible to differentiate with respect to y? No. X
No. No.
will be there. So its differential will be 0. Any
0.
connection up to here?
No. No.
2x square into 1 is 2x square. I cap. 3 into 1 is 3. Z square. J cap minus 0. Leave it as. Yes or no?
Yes. Yes.
This result I got. Are you following this? This result I got here.
Yes. Yes.
Said what is there? I is there. So let
I
me
cap.
write I. Next plus is there. Plus symbol is there, no? Let me write
Yes.
plus.
Plus.
For that dou by dou y. That means this one. This is the answer.
Yes.
Keep it in bracket.
2x square I cap.
Outside what is
3z
there?
square I cap.
J cap is
J
there.
cap.
Similarly, what will be the next step? Next term, third term. Same expression.
Z.
Differentiate this
Yes.
time with respect to Z.
Z.
Can I differentiate this with respect to Z? First term.
No. No.
Because no Z term. So
No.
first term differentiation will be 0.
0.
Can I differentiate this second term? Z square differentiation is 2Z.
Z.
2 into 3, 6, YZ.
6. YZ. Yes.
YZ. After that, J cap is okay. Minus. Can you differentiate this one? Z cube differentiation with respect to Z, 3Z square. 3 into 4.
12 XZ square.
12 X Z square. Correct? K
Yes.
cap. Let me write this again. 6YZ Z cap minus 12X Z square K cap.
Yeah.
Right?
Yes.
What is there in this expression above this? K cap, no?
Yeah. Yes.
Understood up to here? Any confusion?
Yes. No. No.
Now tell me. Final. What we are finding? Gradient. Correct. Gradient of.
Gradient. I.
Here outside, what is there? I cap is there. It means what? You have to multiply this I cap to each terms in this bracket. Yes or no?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Done. If I want to multiply this I cap with I cap, it will be 1. Already I
1.
discussed.
Yes.
Product
Yes.
of
I
two
into
square
1.
vector is 1. That's why
1.
I can write 4xy. Done.
Yes.
I dot I is 1 over
1. Yes.
minus. What will be the k dot I? 0, no?
0.
Okay, leave it. Next, plus is there. What about j? You cannot.
0.
Correct? I cap
Yes.
dot j cap 0. 3z square j. 3z square.
Yes.
J dot j
1.
is 1. Minus. What is the third term? You cannot multiply with this. J cap dot product with k cap. It will be 0.
0.
K cap with k cap. It is 1.
Minus
So
1.
minus into plus is minus. Well, x z square. Done. This is the final answer.
Yes.
This is what? Gradient of given vector phi. What is the given vector?
5.
Understood?
Yes. Understood.
Okay. Can I stop it now?
Yes. Yes.
This is how to find